Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a log of walnut. Already, as you can see on the video, it has a heart shape, but we have some scratch here. I don't know how it is coming after carving. I have to cut from center and then let's see how it will be. I have some idea to make the bowl like vintage style and heart shape. Be with me until the end of the video and see how it will come. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So carving is going to finish and you can see how it is coming. Now we are going for the sanding. For the sanding I'm using 40, 80, 120, 180 and finally 240. I think 240 it should be enough, doesn't need more. And after that we are going for the putting the oil. Sanding is going to finish, as you can see, and now we are going for putting the oil. For the oil I am using Burma wax. It is the German branch. Two color I have, light one and dark one, which is walnut color it is, but I think for this one I am using the light color. But if you are interested about the color, you can see my last video. In last video I used the dark color. Now I wanna try both of them to see which one is better. That one I am using. I think light should be more nice. For inside I am putting light, outside because it is more shining I am putting dark outside. I don't know, let's see. Let's put the dark color for outside. Let's see how it will be. Okay, finally it's going to finish the heart shape from nature. As you saw in the video, inside I put the light oil and outside I put dark one. Please write in the comment below which color is better, dark one or light one. You can use it as a bowl for the putting the fruit, because here is very much deep. And please don't forget subscribe my channel for the next video. Thank you for watching.